Okay.
Keys, wallet, hoodie, fairies.
I can't see Jack. Or am I supposed to?
Maybe it's the polarized lenses. You see it?
Whoa!
Oh, because normally polarized lenses make things weird like that.
Look!
Oh my God! Yeah, you really can't see anything.
And then lift them.
Whoa! You're like, I can't. You're like, is it meant to not show anything?
This camera sucks.
You know.
There she goes.
Sala, day one.
Sala Productions. You can see, got the first blooming flowers.
I wish y'all could smell this. It smells so good. Welcome back to the garden. Been trying to kind of gradually add some type of like string trellis to my tomato plant, and it definitely needs me to add some more to it, so. I also unfortunately have had a lot of my plants get eaten by something, whether it be a squirrel or honestly don't know, but my green beans, I've planted so many different green bean plants, and each one has sprouted and then gets eaten like a day or two later, so I think I just have to, ooh, shit, not me breaking that leaf. Oh well. Awkward. So then I'm gonna finally open up some of the mail I got that I'm 98% sure is just stuff for me making my wedding arch. You see I got these like beam pole things I'm gonna put pool noodles on that I left in the car and put my seats down on, so they're a little smushed, as you can see, but stick like fake flowers and stuff into them. So have a nice little thing for when I get married, you know? I'd be like, just gotta make sure I don't hit the fan. So let's open the biggest package first. Oh, yeah. To the foam blocks. It's a lot of plastic. Shit ton of greenery. As you can see, I got a lot of the green. Oh my God, sorry, I'm having my vlog, you scared me. Lucy.
So our whole game plan changed. The truth.
Oh!
Happy Friday. Nothing crazy for today. Worked from home, did some chores, like just put laundry away. I'll tell you what, I am really looking forward to my honeymoon. I just really want to go on a vacation and not have a care in the world. I look like shit. I've been cleaning a bunch. Just getting my life together. Butters.
Yeah, my mom said something about a wheelchair. I said, I'll make it.
What do you see?
High school.
That's good.
As always.
That's the sort of.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Riri. Happy birthday to you.
Only 1 8 on here. I want 80 more candles.
Coming to you live from the garden.
I'm pretty sure one of my buckets of potatoes are ready to harvest. So a little, once all the greenery dies, you can kind of see it at the top. There's some potato happening. So let's dump it out.
Wow.
Yee! Some ants.
Wow.
Look at the inside of the pot.
A lot of ants.
Oh dang, they're probably like making a house in here.
Wow.
Awkward. Oh,
A lot of
see off the
ants.
plant.
Wait, what? How'd you do this?
Because have you ever had a potato that you didn't eat and then it started to sprout the little spuds? I just cut that off, or like I cut the potato in a couple pieces and planted those. That's what those two are right there.
Free food have.
That's crazy.
There we go.
Huh.
All right. Oh my god, almost missed that one. Let's see. Now I'm like that one's tiny. I'm not gonna.
Yeah, leave it. Wow, they actually look good.
I know, this is so exciting. We can
Wow.
Oh, we're not gonna be here tonight, but I'll have to cook them for us later.
Cool.
Pride fit, purple shorts, my shirt that Jamie printed. Free motherfucking Palestine. Nah. From the river to the sea. Palestine will be free. Happy Pride! Happy Pride! Hey!
How you doing, Megan?
Hey!
No worries, dude.
Fuck are you fucking doing, dude?
Back the fuck up!
Yeah,
Back the fuck up!
Dude, yeah, like literally, like how many times do I have to tell you to get that camera on my fucking face?
Beauty! Look at her! Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I'm not gonna be able to do it now.
Ah, you got it! You got it!
I didn't say by me. I'm gonna be able to do it now. Let's credit card swipe his butt cheek. Oh shit! Yeah, I told you. So majestic.
Anyone else now? Like anyone?
You wouldn't pick up your goddamn mic, so I'm like,
Do something cool, do something cool.
I can't do. I don't know how to do that. What are we doing? Something cool here. We'll smoke. We'll do drugs. Oh, okay.
The one. Oh.
My word.
Well, do you want to know before or after?
So I shook it.
Thanks.
2 to 3 minutes.
Okay.
But you'll be a fan.
Oh yes, love. Oh my god.
shit, the dream, Danny.
Yeah, I got that good. You know, black hand.
I believe
Don't drop that one.
I know.
Yeah, straight up.
Pick one.
Benny in the garage.
To poopy and pee-pee.
Poop. Ooh, ooh. Ooh.
Poopy pee-pee.
All right, guys. You didn't do any hiccups.
Dude, you're full of shit, dude.
Shit. Oh my god.
Go, Neil. Go, Neil. Keep it going.
I don't regret it. It was 2 years ago.
I guess I sold this.
Happy Father's Day. I'm gonna be honest, I was hurting this morning and I spent basically a majority of the day just snuggling with my dog because Brendan is with his dad and brother. Now I have to go to my part-time job, so you know, Sunday's best. Happy Father's Day. Shout out to my dad.
Wanna bite?
Yum.
8 minutes. Weird. And it's weird, like if you don't plot the table, it doesn't tell you the assigned table. Yeah, like Sarah.
Once you struggle.
It's not working. Oh, there we go.